So there's a couple ways that children are different. So one, they have a unique predisposition for respiratory failure. So be on it and watch for hypoxia. Definitely maintain their airway, watch for hypoxia, give them oxygen, support them. Be aware that definitely kids can be prone to respiratory failure with significant injury. Second is they have increased sympathetic tone. And why is that important in dealing with a traumatic kid? So basically what that results in is that they actually can hold on to their blood pressure for a very, very long time. You actually may continue to hemorrhage, and have a normal blood pressure until they lose actually almost half of their blood volume, somewhere 30 to 45% loss of circulating blood volume. So they'll be normotensive. Your first clue is that they're a little bit tachycardic, a little persistently tachycardic, and then their pulse pressure may narrow a little bit. And then once their blood pressure drops, they tank. They can hold on. So don't be falsely reassured by normal blood pressure.